RVNL stock was flying at one point of time. It was corrected hard and now it is showing strong life again. In this video, I'll break RVNL in a professional way. Latest fundamentals, order book visibility, financial year 2026 management guidance and the chart setup. And at the end, I'll share a clean entry and risk plan that a disciplined investor can use. Before we go deeper, subscribe and comment. Do you hold RVNL? RVNL is basically a railway project execution company that builds new lines, doubling, electrification, bridges and other railway infrastructure. RVNL's order book is around rupees 90,000 crore as on September 30, 2025. Here is an interesting point. Roughly rupees 43,000 crore is from legacy railway projects and about rupees 46,000 crore comes from competitively won projects. This matters because an order book like this gives multi-year revenue visibility. Guidance is another key. The company says it is targeting financial year 2026 revenue of about rupees 21 to 22,000 crore and it expects EBITDA margin around 6.5 to 7% as execution improves through the year. So the message is simple. Order visibility is strong and management is clearly focused on better execution and stable margins. For the second quarter ending 30 September 2025, RNL reported revenue from operations of about rupees 5,123 crore and net profit of about rupees 230 crore. Now remember, RVNL is a project execution company. So, quarter to quarter numbers can swing based on billing and project milestones. So, instead of reacting to one quarter, we track three things every time. 1. Order inflow. 2. Execution pace. And 3. Margins plus cash flow discipline. Now, let us do a quick quality checks. RVNL pays regular dividends. That shows the business is healthy. But when rail stocks start running, the prices go very fast. Sometimes it goes faster than the business is really growing. So the simple message is this. RVNL is a good company, but timing matters. Enter with a plan, not with emotions, especially before the budget. RVNL stayed quiet for many months. Then suddenly it started moving. Why? There are two clear reasons. First, investors are positioning before the union budget. Whenever the market expects higher railway spending, money flows early into railway stocks. Second, railway linked stocks jumped after recent fare changes. This created the feeling that railways revenue can improve again. So, after a long gap of no price movement, fresh hope has entered the sector. And remember one rule of the market. Price moves first on expectation, numbers come later. Now let us read RVNL's chart in a simple way. Right now, the 50-day moving average is near rupees 323 and the 200-day moving average is near 354. RVNL's 52-week range is roughly rupees 301 at the low and 501 at the high. So, trends above recent moving averages means buyers are active again after a long quiet phase. We can see there is a support near rupees 320 and resistance near rupees 390 to 410 where recent swings turned back. One simple rule in the stock market. Price without volume is noise. When RVNL rises with strong volume, it shows real buying interest. If price goes up and volume also stays high, the move is high. But if price rises and volume dries up, it is just short-term excitement. You don't need any complex plans. Just follow one habit. Never rush into railway stocks after a sharp rally. Wait for calm, then decide. That habit alone protects your money than any indicator. Let's wrap it up. RVNL has a strong order book and steady business visibility that supports the long-term investment. But remember, around the budget, railway stocks can move very fast both up and down. So don't chase rallies. Wait for calm and then decide. If you want to continue this journey with me, like, share and also subscribe my channel. Let's meet in my next video. IRFC versus RVNL. Stability versus growth in the railway sector.